How to make money selling gold. Hold on, wait. I don't want to be biased here. How to make money selling silver. Wait, I'm still biased. How to make money selling precious metals. There you go. Whether it's gold, whether it's silver, the end result is ultimately the same. The reason people stack gold, the reason people stack silver, all right, the reason people stack precious metal is to avoid inflation, make money, or they have a very expensive hobby. Now, with all that aside, whatever reason you give yourself for stacking gold and buying silver, the end result remains the same. You want to make money either now or in the long term. And there's a lot of stuff that you can actually sell pertaining to gold and silver that you can use. What's that you say? You want examples? Okay. Gold coin, gold bar, gold jewelry, silver fork, silver spoon, silver coin, silver shoe, silver dress. Give me a moment. All right, I got it. Let's go. Welcome to another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you create a better life by creating better wealth and health. And you can also help out by subscribing to the channel, leaving a thumbs up, like, and share. Well, like is the same thing as a thumbs up, right? Well, let's get to it. I'm working for work and grind. Right. All right. So the first thing you would have to do is your research. Research on what? Well, a couple things. But first off, you'll do research on gold prices. All right. Now, if you're an experienced gold stacker, your stack should probably look like this. But if it does, then you already have enough money, and I don't know why you'd want to sell it, because money's obviously not an obstacle for you. But the majority of people will have scrap gold and silver, okay? The first place they'll go to is the pawn shop. And how do I know that? Because I went there and I sold my gold and silver way undervalued. So what you need to do is know exactly what you have and what is the value of it. If you have 24 karat gold, that's the highest purity of gold that you have. Now anything under 24 carats means the purity of the gold is lessened, okay? Now, the market showed the gold prices by ounces. So an ounce of gold runs about $1,300. And the same thing could be said for silver, but silver is a little bit cheaper. As you can see, it's about a little bit over $16. Now, of course, this is at the time of recording this video, of course. But when you're selling to companies, they pretty much want to make a profit. So they're going to sell you under their spot price. And a lot of companies love to take advantage of the fact that people just don't have the knowledge of the value that their precious metal contains. So they're going to want to buy your gold way under spot price, like way under, maybe $300 under. And that's why it's very crucial for you guys to do your research on companies, especially companies. So this is where the internet becomes your friend, because from your home, you can do a lot of research on companies, look at customer feedbacks, opinions, all the comments that people has left, reviews about the company actually buying their gold from them. And something that's really a hidden treasure is a secret that lies behind your phone. You have all the offer-ups, the Facebooks, the Let Goes, and all the apps that you can buy and sell stuff on. I mean, think about it. There's a lot of people selling gold and silver online, and pretty much they just want that quick cash, and they're selling it way undervalued. Okay, so this is a good opportunity for people to actually buy the gold and actually sell it at a higher price, so you can make some money off that. But in all honest, like I always say, I'm more of a long-term holder. So I like to stack my gold and hold it for a while, and just for anything, just in case anything happens to the economy or inflation. So it's pretty much a hedge of protection. That's what I use it for. I don't actually buy it to actually make money from it. I'm just there to protect my wealth for me and my family, and that's why I stack gold and silver. Yeah, I can't forget silver. So hopefully you guys found a lot of value in this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, hit the notification so you guys can get future notifications of my future video. I kind of stumbled over that a little bit, but that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to do those things I just told you in like 10 seconds ago, and have a wonderful day. But what about my wealth? Just listen to what I'm saying.
Silver, gold, don't forget your platinum. If you wanna know, but don't forget to add some palladium, copper, and all is settled. That's how you invest in all your precious metals.
Buffalo, evil man, I love bullion, boy, I stay stacking. What is you doing? Buffalo, evil man, man, I love bullion. Boy, I stay stacking. What is you doing? Buffalo, evil, man, I love bullion. Boy, I stay stacking. What is you